Hey guys, Jack here from FX Education. Today I'll be showing you how to start trading without having any of your own actual money. And no, I am not referring to trading on the demo account before anyone asks in the comments. So without further ado guys, let's get into today's video. So guys, this is a bit of a different video for the channel, but after being asked by a few people how can they start with a small amount of money, I thought I'd make this video to help everyone out. Plus, who doesn't want to find out how to make £1,000 or £2,000 completely risk-free? I know I sure don't turn my nose up that sort of money, and I'm sure you won't either. Sadly, for all this is risk-free and easy enough that a 3-year-old could do it, it does require a bit of time and patience to work through the two main methods that I've found in which you can make risk-free cash. The first step is through an app called TRADING212. This app is awesome for beginner investors and traders, and was actually the first app that I used when I was dabbling with crypto CFDs several years back now. We aren't actually going to be depositing any of our cash today in the app, however we will be utilising it to make the first big lump of cash that will really get the ball rolling. Once you have an account with TRADING212, like most brokers, they want you to refer friends and get them signed up to trade with their platform. But where TRADING212 differs is that you don't need your friends to deposit any money to be rewarded, and this is where the first method comes into play. So let's take a look at how much we can actually make with the TRADING212 referral scheme and how this actually all works. If you head into the app and go to the TRADING212 Invest section, you should be able to see the option to get free shares. If you then click on this, you'll be able to get a referral link which can be used for 20 of your friends when they join TRADING212 and make their own account. When they do this, you'll both get a free share worth up to £100, although from my experience it tends to be near the £30 to £40 mark, especially if you're the person referring them. Although I have seen some of my friends get shares up to £100. If you haven't already started doing the maths, if you have 20 friends and we can get a free £30 share when each of those friends joins, we can rack up a really impressive £600 completely for free, which you can then withdraw after 30 days. If you wanted to, you could just deposit that £600 to a trading account and get cracking, although we can use this money to make even more risk-free cash. The next step requires a bit more brain power than the last one, but once again, it's completely risk-free, providing you follow the instructions properly. This next method we are going to use is called matched betting. If you don't know what matched betting is, like I didn't until a few months ago, it's basically the process of using different offers from bookmakers, which are companies like Ladbrokes and Coral, as well as betting exchanges to hedge your risk so you can guarantee you'll make a profit on your bets. Sounds a bit confusing, doesn't it? Well, that is fine. I found an awesome site called teamprofit.com which has a fully free guide to show you how to match bet through their interactive videos. Matched betting does require some cash outlay, unlike the TRADING212 friend referral scheme, and the amount you can make scales with how much you're able to use when you first start out. The best option is to start out with the most money so you can maximise your returns from the introductory offers that they have available on their site. From what I've seen, you can make between £500 to £700, but let's use the figure stated on their site, which is £678 profit. This would take us to a whopping £1,278 in total, completely risk-free, which is insane. So you're probably wondering though, well Jack, you said you could make between £1,000 and £2,000, and frankly that isn't anywhere near the £2,000 mark. Well, you're absolutely correct, but we have to factor in is that you could receive up to £100 per share, and therefore the likelihood is you'll probably make more than £600 from the TRADING212 offer. And if you receive the maximum amount, which I've got to say is probably quite unlikely, you would get £2,000 from that offer alone before you even started doing the match bet. So that takes us to the point where you really have enough money to give trading a good go, but what should you actually do with the money? And should you just go and throw it into a trading account and hope for the best? Well, if you aren't an experienced trader, I would definitely recommend setting aside £400 to £500 of that money to invest in your education before you lose all that free money that you've just made. Let's go! Let's go bang in the middle and see if you can find a course and a mentor for say around £450. That would leave us with £828 left in the pot, and after you spent the best part of a month hustling, you probably want to take your better half out for a nice takeaway, so let's leave that with a nice round number of say £800 left to start trading. That money has cost you absolutely nothing, although it's probably taken maybe say a month and a few conversations with your friends to get some free shares in the TRADING212 app. Now you can begin trading without the fear of not being able to feed yourself if you aren't the guru trader that your demo account would suggest. So guys, that about wraps this video up. If you are going to follow these steps in this video to actually be able to afford your first trading account, then let us know in the comments. And as always guys, if you like the video, then be sure to hit that like button and subscribe, as we have something really awesome for you guys coming in the next 2 to 3 weeks, which is really going to blow you away. Cheers guys, and I will see you in the next one.